Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about ABS command, absolute command in SIMATIC Manager Siemens PLC S7-300. How we can use this command? Let's go to our SIMATIC Manager software and here we will choose one input address for execution and next we will choose for the ABS instruction from the floating point section. And here this already I explained about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division commands, and now we will use this one ABS command. So double click it on this and after we can write the addresses. For example, first input address I will take I124.0 is my first input address. This I will scroll down and here we will choose the data register where we will write the value for ABS instruction. An example I choose MD10 for write instruction for write data, and for result data I will write MD20, and this line we will be write to the PLC and monitor mix on. And now for an example, here I will write the value, for example 12, 13, 1, 2, 3 and click enter, and as per scene you can see this value it will transferred. That's we will make in floating point. That's okay. And you can see this same value when I give the execution already is my I0.0 first input is on and this value is passed. And for example here I write any value, for example minus 1.23 value, and after you can see it's passed the absolute value 1.23. but for how this is working, yani absolute command basic function is this one. Basic you can say this absolute command is non negative value not passed, yani means any value which is coming from negative value from the field it will be passed just a positive value. Basic this is this command of the function. If you can go to the manual, after you can see also if I0.0 is equal 1, the absolute value of this MD8 this is he makes also, for example, and MD8 plus means plus 6.234 and gives the result in MD12 6.3234 means yani which value coming from minus or plus value it will be just passed plus value, because of some programs or some applications needs the absolute value from the field may be coming any minus value, but it will be passed just absolute value which is your need. One with the one more example I will try to explain you. One more we will take input here and we will use this one move command, and this instruction, for example I124.1 I will choose this data register, sorry, and here we will take MD25 and output result we will taken MD10, which is we will using at the address MD10. Think about this MD10 is coming from the field, this data register. This is value coming from the MD20 is your sensor which is analog or what value came from field, and this passed the MD10. And with this example we will try to understand how this command works, yani, and make the simulation on. And here for example this is the MD25 I write some value, wrong value. For example, I write it here minus 1.25, an example, and this value I write, and I make the execution on of the I 124.1, and I make this one, and you can see this is the minus value, minus 1.25 value. This move command just passed sim the direct value which you write this, it will pass. But in against this command, yani this you can see this one I 100 sorry abs command, here is a value coming minus 1.25, but it's passed just same positive value 1.25. One more value I will write it at this one, modify, for example minus 2.36 value I write and click enter, and you can see this same value this passed the remove command. But in this area minus 2.36 value, but the CBS command not passed the same value. This makes the multiply look like yani this which commands requires any which value requires that will be passed, and you can see this the real value passed. Absolute value means any value which is come from the field, but this command makes the correct value where you needs the absolute value, for example minus or plus this one, and this just will be make correction and send to the in your program. So hope guys you will be understand about this one. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.